Okay, so here's our plan. We are flying Frontier because it was the cheapest flight to Atlanta. And we are trying to get onto the plane with only personal items. Now, a lot of the things that we have to bring for this trip, a lot of backpacking gear you can't take on the plane because it's sharp or allegedly dangerous.
Can't take tent poles because you can't set up your tent on the plane.
Exactly. So here's our plan. This is our game plan. We have a checked bag. We're gonna have one checked bag. Eric bought this. It's a big duffel bag, kinda. It's gonna like fold all the way down so it meets the dimensions. We have all of our tent gear in here and like all the backpacking gear that's either like sharp or like
Sleeping
the
gear.
burner, sleeping gear, we're putting all in here. Then our backpacking, or like our backpack, these are gonna be our personal items. And we've taken the frames out to make sure that they fold down to meet the size requirements for Frontier. Now, the only thing we're pretty much gonna have in these bags are going to be our like tiny toiletry items and, you know, like toothbrushes, toothpaste tablets. We're not bringing toothpaste, we're bringing these tiny little tablets. They're awesome.